He talks about that intimacy is more frightening for people than death.
Hmm.
And I just wonder if you're only connecting with your partner sexually, if you're really having intimate sex. So I'm just wondering with that couple, if you could encourage them while they're making love to take a moment and look in each other's eyes,
Mm.
take a moment and connect through their hearts.
Hmm.
I wonder if their sex life would fall apart or if they could reach their intimacy that way. It's an interesting question because
Yeah.
once
And
you
not one
really,
I've thought of. It's, I mean, you're giving me some things to think about here because I haven't thought in those terms of saying, gee, when you're having sex, are there ways you connect in ways beyond just that physical, immediate connection?
yeah, because what I find, especially with younger people that have grown up with porn, all
Mm.
the incessant porn, is that they really see that they're really taught, it's no one's fault, but they're being taught that they're kind of using the partner to get off.
Hmm.
Right.
So you give me an orgasm, I give you an orgasm. And I've had some couples that have come in like this and their relationships are not really working because it's not an intimacy model.
Hmm.
So if they're kind of, if there's this sort of exchange of we're here to service each other's orgasm, it's not going to promote intimacy. In fact, it's probably going to do the opposite and
Hmm.
encourage people to not uh, come to each other for warmth and caring. If you